Welcome back to Wellness Wise health enthusiasts and those who are simply looking for delicious ways to level up their meals. Today, we're talking about 10 easy plant-based recipes for beginners. We're not just going to list them off, we'll walk you through each step, making sure you're fully equipped to recreate these dishes at home. Plus, we'll chat about the unique health benefits each recipe offers, because who doesn't love a meal that's as good for you as it tastes? Ready to dive into the world of plant-based goodness? But before we do, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now here we go. Starting the day right with a green smoothie packed with vitamins and fiber. This smoothie is a blend of nature's bounty in a glass. It's like a garden party for your taste buds. Our ingredients: a handful of fresh spinach, a ripe banana for sweetness, a crisp apple for a tangy twist, and a splash of almond milk for creaminess. Now let's get blending. First, toss the spinach into your blender, followed by the banana and apple. Pour in the almond milk and blend until smooth. The result? A vibrant, nutrient-dense smoothie that not only tastes amazing but also does wonders for your health. It's a win-win. This green smoothie is a powerhouse of fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling full for longer. The vitamins and minerals boost your body's nutrient absorption, leading to better overall health. So next time you need a quick, healthy breakfast or snack, remember this green smoothie. And there you have it, a green smoothie to kickstart your day. Next up is a breakfast staple, overnight oats. These delightful jars of goodness are not just easy to prepare, but they're also a powerhouse of nutrition. Here's what you'll need: rolled oats, your choice of plant-based milk, a sweetener like maple syrup or agave, and your favorite toppings. Chia seeds or flax seeds are great additions too. To whip up this breakfast delight, mix equal parts of oats and milk, then add a dash of your sweetener. Stir well and let it sit overnight in the fridge. By morning, your oats will have absorbed the milk and softened, ready for your favorite toppings. But why overnight oats? They're not just a time saver, they're also packed with benefits. Oats are high in fiber, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full. Plus, they're great for promoting heart health with their cholesterol-lowering properties. Overnight oats, a convenient and nutritious breakfast to keep you energized. Moving on to lunch with a refreshing quinoa salad. Our main ingredient, quinoa, is a perfect source of protein and fiber. It's also gluten-free, making it a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. To prepare this delightful dish, start by rinsing a cup of quinoa under cold water. Then cook it in boiling water until it becomes tender and fluffy. Now, let's jazz it up with some fresh vegetables. Think cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers for a vibrant burst of vitamins. Next, sprinkle in some herbs, perhaps mint or parsley, for that extra flavor kick. A simple olive oil and lemon dressing will tie all the ingredients together, enhancing the natural flavors. This salad is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. It's a great aid for weight loss and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. So that's quinoa salad, a light lunch option packed with nutrients. Now let's spice things up with a hearty chickpea curry, a delicious blend of chickpeas, aromatic spices, and a medley of vegetables. First off, we're going to need a can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. For our vegetables, we'll grab an onion, a couple cloves of garlic, and a generous handful of spinach. The spices are where the magic happens. We're talking cumin, turmeric, coriander, and a dash of chili for that extra kick. We start by sauteing our onion and garlic until they're golden and fragrant. Next, we add our spices, letting them sizzle and release their flavors. In go the chickpeas, followed by a splash of water to create a rich, thick sauce. Lastly, we stir in our spinach until it's just wilted. This meal is a nutritional powerhouse. Chickpeas are packed with protein and fiber, making them perfect for aiding digestion and keeping us full. And voila! A warm and comforting chickpea curry. Next, a dinner favorite, veggie stir-fry. Let's get those taste buds dancing with a vibrant medley of vegetables tossed and turned in a sizzling pan. All you'll need are your favorite vegetables, perhaps some bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and snap peas. The more colors, the better. Now, the secret to a great stir-fry lies in the order of cooking. Start with the ingredients that take the longest to cook, like carrots, then gradually add in the rest. This way, everything cooks to perfection without any mushy casualties. As for the sauce, a simple mix of soy sauce, garlic and ginger will do the trick. Just remember to stir everything well to get that beautiful even coating. This veggie stir fry isn't just a feast for the eyes, but also a fiber powerhouse that promotes gut health. Plus, the high vitamin and mineral content in these veggies can boost your immune system. There you have it, a colorful and tasty veggie stir fry. And that wraps up our 10 easy plant-based recipes for beginners. What a culinary journey we've embarked on together. From the invigorating green smoothie to the comforting chickpea curry, we've explored the flavorsome world of plant-based cuisine and shown how simple it can be to incorporate these dishes into your daily routine. Let's take a moment to recap. We started our day with the green smoothie, a powerhouse of nutrients from spinach, bananas, and chia seeds, offering a great start to the day. With its high fiber content, this smoothie aids digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. Next, we moved on to the overnight oats, a breakfast classic that's both filling and nutritious. Packed with whole grains and protein, it's a breakfast that keeps you energized throughout the day. And the best part? You can prepare it the night before, making your mornings a breeze. Then came the quinoa salad, a lunchtime favorite that's as versatile as it is delicious. With a high protein content and all 9 essential amino acids, quinoa is a complete protein source, perfect for those on a plant-based diet. The colorful array of veggies adds a crunch, while also providing a host of vitamins and antioxidants. Our next dish, the chickpea curry, is a hearty dinner option that warms you from the inside out. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, and when combined with aromatic spices, they create a dish that's both nourishing and comforting. Finally, we ended with the veggie stir fry, a quick and easy dinner option that's bursting with flavor. The variety of vegetables ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients, and the quick cooking method retains more of their nutritional value. But remember, the journey to healthier eating isn't about perfection, it's about making small changes that add up over time. Maybe it's swapping out a meat-based meal for a plant-based one once a week, or perhaps it's adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie. Every little bit counts, and before you know it, these small changes can lead to big results. So why not give these recipes a try? Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just dipping your toe into the world of plant-based cuisine, these recipes are a great way to add variety and nutrients to your diet. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or difficult. Remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.